Hi there, my name is Axel Mulat. In this video, we will discuss the new updates on this course, Blogger Tutorial for Beginners. The new update from Blogger.com is the new UI interface in the Blogger's homepage. As you see on this blog post from blogger.googleblog.com, they change the UI in homepage. As you see, this is the new look UI interface when you log in. So the blog lists are intact in the upper left on the screen. If you create a 10 blog or 5 blog, it will be listed here. This is my 4 blog, sample 4 blog. If you create a new blog, it's pretty the same in the previous version. Cancel that. If you choose your blog, I choose the blog in this course, Oxford Traveler. The functionality are the same in the previous version. The posts, the comments, pages, layout, template, and settings. There's no change. The change are the new UI interface in homepage. Let's click this template and click edit. If you see this error message, guys, actually this is not an error message. Editing your template so it mixes HTTP and HTTPS, blah blah blah. Kindly hide this warning message. It doesn't matter, it's not affecting your blog, so hide this message. If you see this in your blog, hide it. And the new update is from Facebook page plugin. The new URL of Facebook page plugin. Let's try this. This is the new from the previous version. The previous version is deprecated. So Mulat blog, hit enter. If you want to remove this timeline, kindly remove this timeline value in the tab. Hit click. And this is what's look like. Get the code and paste to your widgets. That's the new update from Facebook page plugin. There's a new update in Twitter follow button, guys. They changed the new URL, publish.twitter.com, and enter your Twitter username and enter. Choose Twitter buttons and follow buttons and copy paste and paste to your widget. If you want to show the follower count, just change this to true. It's false by default. And that's it, guys, the updates on this course. If you watch on every video, kindly check the video description because I updated the source and the links. If you think this course is very helpful to you, kindly like and share to other people you know. If you have a question on every video, kindly fill in the comment box section and I'll do my best to respond your question. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, because I create a new course soon. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.